Hi, I'm Jordan, and this is my dad, the amazing Grumpy Plumber. Today we're going to be answering the question is, should I turn off my water before I go on vacation? And we hear what Jim does before he goes on vacation every time. Hi, I'm Jordan, and I started the Grumpy Plumber because I'm lucky enough to have a dad who's an amazing plumber. He's been a plumber for 48 years. And since I bought my house 5 years ago, he has saved us tens of thousands of dollars with his experience and his advice. So we started this channel to help people out with some great plumbing advice. And for those who really care about credentials, he's been a master plumber in Michigan, and he's also a C36 plumbing contractor in California. 48 years of plumbing, he knows something. It also makes him a little bit grumpy when he's sharing advice. Don't piss him off. So Dad, should someone be turning off their water before they go on a vacation for a few days or a couple weeks? What's your guidance?
I think yes. You know, I think it's a very good idea. You know, people might be a wash machine valve will break and open up and flood the house, but you know, all my years I haven't seen that one done yet. But they claim they do. But yeah, the best thing to do is just go out, or if you're on the city water, there's usually a shut-off in the outside or in the basement. Just go down and turn it off. You could relieve the pressure, but you really don't even have to do that.
You mean relieve the pressure like open up faucets?
Open up one faucet, and once the pressure goes down, then it's off on that. Which is a very good idea, because if something breaks, you know, you don't have to deal with the insurance company. Another thing, reverse osmosis. They usually have a storage tank on them. They can tend to break. I mean, the ice maker, going in an ice maker, the water line can break, whatever they are. Even if you use braided stainless steel lines, everything breaks. Everything can break.
So not even a thing with like you lose heat during the winter. This is just even if you're in warm climate, if it's summertime.
You know, when I go on vacation, I turn my water off. I can't turn it off.
I didn't know that about you.
Yeah, I turn it off underneath each fixture. Because I'm in a condominium or a townhouse, and I share water. So, but I can go in the house and I can turn off every fixture in the house, and I can unplug my water here. I have an on-demand water heater. I unplug that. It's outdoors, really not going to do any damage, but I just unplug it. I unplug it, and the fixture's off on the inside, so if something does break, the water will run outdoors, and the neighbor will see it. So, nice. But yeah, I recommend you to turn them off. I always tell my customers that. Yeah, I mean, if you lived in a cold climate and had a second home, you definitely want to, yeah, they don't do it much anymore, but they would drain the houses down. And I mean, when we used to plumb, and when I used to plumb in a cold climate, we would always make sure there was no dips in the pipe. We didn't make them slope or anything like that. You just didn't put a dip in them. And then you, at the end of the line or something, or the lowest fixture, it would be a faucet. You open that up, turn the water off, open it all up, and let it drain back. Open up a couple of faucets so everything can kind of drain down. So water, if it does freeze, it has room for expansion on it. But yeah, you don't want any pressure. Once you have pressure on them, and
that's when you get frozen pipes.
You get frozen pipes,
and then you get leaks.
Traveling. Turn the water off. That's a safe way to do it. I mean, no big deal. Not hard to do.
Perfect.
Especially if you got shutoffs. Nowadays, newer houses have got these ball valves, or quarter turn. Leave the lever and turn it on.
Walk away.
Walk away. So.
Well, there you go. All right. So before you go on vacation, have some peace of mind and shut off the water to your house. If you can't shut off the water to your house because you're on a shared water line, then just go in and shut the water off at each of your fixtures inside the house.
Yes.
Great. All right. Thanks a lot, Dad. Subscribe to get more updates or plumbing tips from the Grumpy Plumber. So hit subscribe right now. If you have any questions for the Grumpy Plumber, leave them below in the comments.
And I hope you liked it. And if you didn't like it, that's tough.